This is distressing since the government and the parents in this country entrust these institutions of learning with our young generation to educate and to build onto the moral and ethical foundations established by their families while they are here in your care.
Ategeeza nti minisitule eno y'ensibuko ebiteekebwa ku ssomero lino kubamu obuka bw'okulaba nga buli abaabitandika bavunaanibwa singa alipoota ziraga nti ebyogerwa bikyamu.
The Ministry of Education and Sports, on the other hand, has to investigate to get to the root of the social media reports so that with actual evidence government can hold those responsible accountable.
Asibye n'abayizi okuwala ensonga zonna ezikwatagana n'obugenyufu n'abasaba okuba abagumiikiriza abakuutidde okumya okwegeraageranya ku batutumufu bayite baseebo abawano ne bweru w'eggwanga abatagoberera njigiriza ya Bayibuli wabula beesigame ku bya Katonda.
I strongly advise you to desist from identifying yourselves with celebrities, perhaps in the country and elsewhere, who do not ascribe to biblical values as your role models. Instead, take heed of the word of God that guides you on the most commendable way of life.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.